right, beautiful morning here in PA. It's like 36 degrees out. So the Raptor got some snow on it, and we're headed up to Philly area, Westchester area, and my buddy Greg is an awesome friend. He's helping me haul this thing all the way up there with his trailer and his truck. So we're gonna have a blast, and here's what we're looking at. Unfortunately, I don't think this car's ever seen snow until now, but she's going to a better place regardless. Guys, stopped at Wawa here, about to head up to the turnpike, but I just wanted to show the car off. It looks gorgeous with all the snow. There's the tow rig. We are headed back on the road. I just showed up to Kong Performance, check on the car here, but this is pretty cool. Kind of in the middle of nowhere, Pennsylvania. Show you guys the shop here. Pretty insane. Car looks good, super dirty, but still in one piece, still in the trailer. Yeah, you got it. All right, man. Good luck. That's cool.
So that's a side-by-side. It started life as a Can-Am XRS Turbo RR, and he's doing like a trophy truck body.
That's cool. I see the Raptor headlight there.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And this is where all the detailing, a lot of paint correction, ceramic coating, and window tinting goes down. What this building was, I mean, if I showed you what it looked like before we started, it was an old helicopter factory.
Really?
Yeah. So we did the floors, all the walls were painted, the lighting was redone. You know, we built the building, the detail room in here.
That's cool.
And I'll show you this other side. A lot of car storage. A lot of cool cars in here though.
Whoa.
From this to
That's awesome.
a Ferrari SF90.
Oh my
that's
God.
almost $1 million car there.
Jesus Christ.
There's a little big mix. And then we have like offices upstairs.
Oh, wow.
And then this is just more car storage. And then over there is also more car storage.
So this isn't stuff you're working on, just they
No. I mean, some of these cars I'll work on if they need maintenance done and
wow.
repair work.
It's amazing. real. This is stuff you do not see every day, that's for sure. (1905) Model F Touring. Interior is beautiful in this thing. So overall, guys, the trip was a super big success. We got it all the way up there with no incidents. Some close calls on the turnpike and some bad drivers, but car made it all the way to Westchester unscathed and dropped off at AMS. I'm super excited. It's, you know, they're a great shop. I could definitely tell that right away. Adam's a really great guy. They know what they're doing. They have, you know, an amazing array of cars that even just that they're storing there for people. And some of those BMWs were amazing, especially that 3.0 CSL. And, you know, they definitely take pride in their work. I'm super excited to get the car back after the mods that we're getting done. You know, it's just another step in making this car what I want it to be. And I'm not going crazy, but we should be close to 1,000 wheel horsepower. And shout out to Greg. He definitely helped me out with the trailer and the truck, and you know, just being a great friend and you know, helping out when he's needed. I will probably get the car back in, I would say, February, sometime March, right around there, and I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, big shout out to AMS. Shout out to Kong. I met the owner, awesome dude, very nice, very down to earth, and very unassuming shop in the kind of middle of nowhere, PA. But two really cool places, and they were within like 30 minutes of each other, so it's kind of wild. But very excited to see what Adam and his crew can do with this car. I'm pumped, man, and looking forward to going up to the bigger procharger. So that's all I got for today, and I will see you guys again in another video.
If that pulled up outside your house, you'd think, oh no, a drug dealer is here.